If anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And one good news for you all, during this lockdown you are not able to go outside or you are not able to do any internships. This is the best website to do internships, and I have already done a video about this and what are the internships they are providing and how to register for this International website and how to apply for the website. If anybody didn't watch that video, go and watch that video, no problem. And here I need to say one news for you all. This website or this International is providing online trainings for you, and now I will show about that. If anybody want regarding internships, you can skip this video and you can see that videos which have been uploaded, you can see. But if anybody are interested in online trainings, you can see this video, otherwise you can skip and you can go, no problem. Are not registered for this website, I will provide link in the description box. You can register through that link, and click on menu button after registering. Already registered, you can log in through this button. Okay, click on menu button. After that, clicking on menu button, you can see here internships and work from home online trainings. If anybody want regarding internships, I have done a video, you can see that way. And now I am showing here on about the online trainings. This is the best opportunity for you. I will explain in detail about these online trainings. These are really, they are giving more and more discount for you, but I will show in detail about these internships. If you are interested, don't miss this opportunity, because there are so many benefits for you. It's like a project. If you are from first and second or third year students, it will be best and fit for your project. After you are in fourth year, don't searching. If you are searching for the projects, is not good for you. If you are in third year or second year, you can think about your future, like in my fourth year I need to do the project like this. Like, they will give so many materials and they will provide guidance for you, and you can get a more and more idea about these internships and these online trainings. I will show here. These are the online trainings they are providing, and you can see here programming, business, core engineering, data science, creative arts, designing, language specializations. And now I will show here programming, about the programming. And about the programming, if you are interested nowadays, Python is more and more demand. If you want to start with programming with Python, then register for this Python. Otherwise, web development, Android development, ethical hacking, programming with C and C++, Core, Java, Angular. But I'll show now web development. For example, I am interested, I clicked on web development. You can see here they will provide certificate for you after completion of the internship or after completion of this online training, and along with that you will get more and more benefits for you. You can of these online training, what are the benefits or what you will get. You can learn in this internship, in this online training, HTML or CSS and MySQL, PHP development, and build an e-commerce website from scratch. And this website will be around 6 weeks, and placement assistance. And you can see here, after registering you will get like this. If you use my link, I will provide link for you. If you use my link, you will get price through this money. Okay, you can see here, I will show. I think this is visible for you. Learn from home, 92 video tutorials, learn anytime, anywhere, 3 assignments and 1 project for you. Here it is the best opportunity for you. I am saying for you only. If you are third and second years, don't think about please money, because you are thinking about your future. For final year, you are thinking from now onwards. Means for final year projects you are creating from now. It's really 3 assignments and 1 project. This project you can keep for your fourth year. Otherwise, you can do another online trainings, and you can keep that online training as your project also. It is a best thing for you, because if you do your project as a live like this, definitely your project will have so much value, and for your resume there will be so much weightage. And doubt clearing section also, and beginner friendly 6 weeks access, downloadable content also. You can downloadable anytime, and placement assistance, they will build your career so much. And certificate from training, and take the final exam online to complete the web development training offer, which you will be able to download your certificate. You can see here, this is the certificate they are providing. You can see here with your name, certificate of training. Really, it is one of the best opportunity. Please don't miss the opportunity. I will provide link in the description box. Through that link you can register, start registering for this, and start gaining your new skills, and start If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.